If you're experiencing controller drift while playing EAFC 25, it can be frustrating. Follow these simple steps to help fix the issue. Step 1. Clean the controller. Start by cleaning the analog sticks. Use a microfiber cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to gently clean around the base of the sticks. This can remove any dirt or debris causing the drift. Step 2. Reset the controller. Resetting the controller can sometimes resolve drift issues. Locate the reset button on the back of the controller, press it with a small tool, and then reconnect the controller to your console or PC. Step 3. Adjust dead zone settings. In the gain settings, look for the controller settings menu. Adjust the dead zone settings for the analog sticks. Increasing the dead zone can help reduce the effects of drift by requiring more movement before the game registers input. Step 4. Update controller firmware. Check if there are any firmware updates available for your controller. Connect it to your console or PC and follow the manufacturer's instructions to update the firmware, which can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Consider professional repair. If the drift persists after trying the above steps, it may be time to consider professional repair or replacement. Contact the manufacturer or a local repair shop for assistance, as they can provide a more thorough diagnosis and fix. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift and get back to enjoying your game. If problems continue, seeking professional help may be the best solution.